Okay, so we had a customer buy a set of our 20.5-25 loader tires, and we just wanted to go out and make sure that they had good customer experience. I sent the two best guys out. I got Justin and Barrett on this one. And basically, they're gonna go out, work with the customer, make sure that they're installed properly, put the tires on his loader, make sure that he's happy out of the gate, and then we can also share that process with anybody else who's interested in seeing it.
Okay, roll back. Okay, back up straight.
What's that?
He's doing his maintenance and everything. Like, these tires have been on and off, but he's cleaning everything so that it's proper.
Thank you. So I guess just come over top. Actually, we'll get your
Fork over there.
forks in first. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, good. Okay, there. Okay, everybody stay clear. Good. Yeah, that's good, Em. Lift it up. Okay. May as well get the other one off first. We'll actually do that one, because that's your other front.
My bad. Yeah, you want it to be
you
want it to be a little wider, yeah. Yeah?
Big.
Really?
Big.
The only thing I might need is a bar. Pretty close.
Got one going.
Cool. That's what we need. Okay, lift up a little bit. Okay, stay there. I'm gonna tighten them up while it's on there.
Full pattern matches. Bolts are going in the hub very nicely, so M takes care of his thing, which always does wonders when we're doing installs like this. So. He's an old mechanic and I'm an old dairy farmer, so we've been around the block.
Real tit puller.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm thinking ahead a little bit. For this job, yes.
For this job, yeah.
For this job, yes.
So the offset of them looks about the same.
Pretty close, yeah.
I never mentioned, but to stay inside the blower.
Come in. That should be good. Stop. Okay, roll back. Perfect. Go ahead. Back up. Go ahead and back up. Just lubricating the bolts up so that you don't create any damage. Keep going. Perfect. That was actually really nice to do.
Think that fork's solid enough to hold a single piece?
Yep.
Okay. Okay.
It only bent a little bit. I think I'm still off.
I didn't see what the bolt holes are like, so.
They're flat on top, and I'm aiming for flat.
This is on you anyways.
Thanks, I appreciate it, okay? It's wonderful.
Okay, new guy gets all the flack, right?
Yeah. Well, I mean, low man on the totem pole, right? Still the hardest working guy, so I feel good about that. If I sweat really hard, then I feel like I'm working hard.
My phone just keeps ringing, so what am I supposed to do?
Ready to go down.
Just enough?
Perfect.
Just a bit.
Perfect.
Good.
Who's a great big boy?
Who's a good salesman?
Great big boy.
Who can do that? Take off, eh? Yeah.
Start to finish, it was an hour. Not even, probably.
Four men and a dog.
4 men and a dog, that's right.
No, I'm really excited to try them now. Like,
Yeah.
it'll be interesting
Yeah, no kidding.
to see what the 3-inch lugs will do for me.
Mhm.